Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. If you're going to be towing a fifth wheel trailer with your Ford pickup, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. Now this Ford pickup already has wiring on it, but when towing the fifth wheel, it makes it a lot easier for the hookup process when you have it in the bed of the truck. So we're going to show you how to install that. Let's go ahead and get started.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
All right, as you can see, there's many different spots where you can mount your 7-way. Now we've determined that right here towards the rear of the driver's side of the bed is the best way to mount it. So let's go ahead and look underneath and show you why. All right, so below the vehicle, right behind the driver's side rear tire, you can see up behind the bed itself, and there's a lot of space where we can route our wires to that spot. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take a 2 1/8 inch hole saw and drill out our hole. Okay, behind the bumper, we're gonna go ahead and take our T connection and we're gonna unplug our existing wiring and we're gonna plug in our T connection behind that. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take our 7-way harness and we're gonna route it to our hole that we drilled out. And we're just gonna follow these wires that go towards the taillight. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and take our 7-way and plug it into our harness. And then we're going to go ahead and push it into our hole. And now that we have it where we want to mount it, we're going to drill pilot holes for our screws. Alright, so our kit comes with 2 mounting options. It comes with the regular tap screw or it comes with a well nut option. Since our bed is aluminum, we'll be going with the well nut option. So we'll be enlarging our pilot holes to 3/8 to put those in. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put our well nuts into the holes. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and mount our 7-way, line it up, and put in the screws. All right guys, that's how you install the 7-way into the back of your truck bed for a fifth wheel trailer. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information on any of these products, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit uhaulhitches.com.